Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Dash robot to Bluetooth. First, make sure your Dash robot is fully charged and powered on. It's also important to have the Wonder Workshop app downloaded on your smartphone or tablet. For the best connection, keep your smart device within about 3 feet of your Dash robot. This ensures a strong and reliable signal for pairing. Now, let's get the app working for you. Go ahead and open the Wonder Workshop app on your device. Once inside, you'll want to look for and select the Connect option, usually found in the main menu. The app is designed to be smart, so it will immediately begin scanning for any Dash robots that are nearby and ready to pair. Great job! You should now see a list of available Dash robots. Each robot has a unique name or identification number, so carefully find yours in the list. Once you've spotted it, simply tap on your specific Dash robot to start the pairing process. The app might ask you to confirm the connection, so just follow the on-screen prompts to finalize it. Fantastic! You've successfully connected your Dash robot. You'll know it's connected because the robot's eye lights will turn a bright blue, giving you a clear visual confirmation. With your Dash robot now paired, you are all set to dive into the exciting world of coding and play. Get ready to control and program your robot for endless fun and learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.